Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the 2 coupon inserts that are coming on Sunday, March the 13th, 2022. So the Save Insert and the Unilever Super Saver. So let's go ahead and dive into these and see what we're getting this coming Sunday. I do get these in my mailbox in my area. They don't come in our newspapers. That's how I have access to them early. Keep in mind the actual amounts or even the coupons can vary per region. And I do not sell inserts. I just share what is coming and what I received. So here we have the $1.50 on the Snuggle and the $2 on the In-Wash Scent Boosters. And then the Renews It, buy 4, get 2 free. We see that pretty frequently. $1 on the multi-packs. $1 on Quilted Northern. $1.25 on the Dove Advanced Care, Even Tone or Zero. Here's that Target gift card coupon. I don't have pets, and I do not really care to coupon at Target. So $4 AccuView, $6 Solution, larger count, $3 on the Blink Contact or Blink and Clear drops, and then $3 on a Tears product there. $1 on Neutrogena Sun Care, $1 on Nature Bounty, and $4 on the sleep stuff here. Easter candy, $1 on 2 Mars. We usually end up using that coupon, usually either at CVS or I think Rite Aid is usually where I use that. $1 on the Little Smokies, so hopefully they'll go on sale. I haven't had any of those for quite a while. My husband really likes those. I think this is just an ad. Yeah, that's just ad there. So 50 cents on the Ragu coupon. I don't believe that coupon doubles. I think I've used that in the past and it didn't double. So if you're still in an area that doubles coupons, just a little FYI there. So I guess you can go to P&G Good Every Day to print these coupons if you want them. And then Zyrtec, $10 adult, $4 adult or children's, and $3 on the face wipes. So if you suffer from allergies year round, definitely stock up this time of year when we have the coupons and the sales. Okay, so $4 on Sundown Gummies and $3 on the regular product. So let's go ahead and get into this Super Saver here. March Madness. So a lot of the stuff in the beginning is for men. So we have some pretty good coupons in this insert. 3 off of 2 on the Axe deodorant, body spray, or body wash. $2 on the Axe Fresh. I don't think I've even seen that in store yet. $1.50 Axe Hair. And $1 on the deodorant. And $1 on body wash. $2.50 on Dollar Shave Club. $2 on 4 count refills or 8 count shave aid. Or, I'm sorry, 8 count or the shave aid. $2.50 on 2 Vaseline men's. Am I skipping a page? Nope. $1.50 on Degree men's. $1.50 on the Degree women's. 3 on Dove deodorant. That is a really, really good coupon. These coupons are always a limit of 2. $2 on the Dove men hair care. What would be really great is if that fetch offer for Unilever came back. But I think we see that like 3 times a year. So we just had that. I don't think it'll come back, but that would be pretty awesome. 3 on 2 in the Dove hair care. $2 Dove hair therapy. BOGO on the hand wash. And BOGO on the hand sanitizer or wipes. I don't think I've even seen the wipes yet. 4 off of the Dove shower butter. 4 on the body cleanser. $1.50 on body wash. And $1 on the beauty bars. St. Ives face product, $1.50. I guess they have a new acne line there. And 5 on 2 for the Shea Moisture. Really great Tresemme coupons here. 4 off of 2 for the Stylers. 4 off of 2 on the Pro Collection. And 4 off of 2 on just the regular. 4 on 2 on the dry spray deodorants. 3 off of 2 on the Suave Pink or natural products. And $1 on the One Professionals. $1 off of 2 Suave Men's. $1 off of 2 Suave Hand soap or sanitizers. And $1 off of 2 body wash. A lot of times these values here will vary per region. And the 5 off of 1 Nexus. So that is what I'm getting this Sunday coming in my inserts, but keep in mind yours may vary. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.